Hi, it's Laura Lynn from teddybearacademy.net, where you can take online teddy bear making classes from the comfort of your own home. In this week's video, I'm going to share a bear making tip with you. This week, I'm going to talk about the stuffing that we put inside our teddy bears. You don't want to put food items in your teddy bears because that can attract insects and rodents. As for which stuffing is right, it depends on your personal preference. So you do need to try out some different brands of stuffing. I get together with 3 or 4 friends once a month. We're professional teddy bear artists, and each one of us has our own favorite stuffing. A very popular stuffing is made by Fairfield, and it's called Polyfill. One of my friends really loves this stuffing. She stuffs it in. She's a very hard stuffer because you do want to get the nose of the teddy bear very hard and firm to make it easier to embroider the nose on. So you got to get that snout very firm. She stuffs very hard, and so she's able to use the Polyfill very well. I prefer a different brand called Morning Glory. I get it sometimes from Walmart, sometimes from Hobby Lobby. I can get it on Amazon sometimes. And this is what's called a dry polyfill. The polyfill that is made by Fairfield, the one that is used most often, is silicone coated, so it's springy and it bounces back. I personally have trouble getting it stuffed hard enough because it keeps coming back at me. I like the Morning Glory stuffing because it is not silicone coated. It's a dry polyfill so that it stuffs harder and it packs harder for me. Now my friend who uses the polyfill, she says she can't use the Morning Glory because she stuffs so hard that the nose would be so hard, the snout would be so hard, she'd never be able to get a needle through it. So you just need to try different ones to find which one works for you. Fairfield does make another type of fiberfill called Crafter's Choice, and that is the dry fiberfill. However, their cost on that is a bit higher, and they don't sell it in the boxes. If you don't live in the United States and you're having problems finding any of the stuffings that I've mentioned, go to teddybearacademy.net, and under the FAQ link, at the third one down, is where to buy bear making supplies. That will take you to the worldwide teddy bear making suppliers page. And many teddy bear making suppliers also sell stuffings, and you can purchase them from there. I would recommend buying small amounts first to find out what your favorite is before you stock up. Get your free ebook, How to Make Teddy Bears, which includes 7 different patterns, when you visit the website listed below.